Hello again! I will show you my nighttime routine. This is the retinol product from Vibrant Glamour. And this is for anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduce fine lines, repair skin barriers, and nakakapagpabagal siya ng pagtanda ng ating mga skin. So, sobrang ganda talaga nitong retinol. 1.5 month ko na siyang ginagamit. So, let's start with my routine. So, I will show you this light to heavy. First is my toner, the Essence Toner. So, nire-recommend talaga ito ng mga, I heard from the dermatologists, they are recommended this product, retinol. Lagi kong naririnig sa TikTok sa mga dermatologists na nire-recommend nila ang retinol daw maganda. So, mayroon pa naman kasi ako dati na isang product na tinesting ko lang. So, kaya yun. Hi guys! Yung kakagising mo pa lang, blooming ka pa rin because of this product, the Vibrant Glamour. Thanks for this product and I love this. And sana noon ko siya na-discover. Totoo nga pala ang trending dito sa TikTok. Ang ganda ng Vibrant Glamour. And these are the retinol, niacinamides, and of course, the sunscreen protect. And sobrang perfect combination nila. And talagang ang niacinamide nila nakakawala ng dark spot. And look at my face now. Nakakawala talaga ng sag ang retinol. And of course, the fine lines for anti-aging siya. Sobrang perfect nito, ang ganda. And sana talaga nung ko pa siya na-discover, 2 months ko na siyang ginagamit ngayon. I love you, Vibrant Glamour. Thank you talaga. And kahit hindi ka na talaga mag-makeup dito sa Vibrant Glamour, yung sunscreen nila, may concealer effect, and sobrang ganda. May whitening effect pa siya. I love you, Vibrant Glamour. Thank you. Hello, this is my skincare tips for everyone. The niacinamide toner, day and night ko siyang ginagamit. The retinol serum for nighttime routine only. For anti-aging, the retinol cream for anti-aging used for nighttime routine only. This is the sunscreen protection, day and night ko siyang ginagamit.